How to tag everyone on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to tag everyone on Facebook. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Here you will see the option for what's on your mind. Tap on that. Now, make the post that you want to tag everyone in. Add the photos, videos, text, and everything. And now to tag everyone, simply type in @followers and tap on followers, and with this, all your followers will be tagged on your post. You can now share the post by tapping on the next button. You will then be asked to choose who can see your post. So set your audience, and if you want to schedule the post and post it later, then you can do that too. And now tap on the post option, and with this, all your followers will receive the notification that you have tagged them in a post. So this is how you can tag everyone in a post on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.